So, Margalo, can I get you anything else? Whip you up an omelet? Pop you a tart?
Stuart, I'm full.
Full? You eat like a bird.
Come on, Stuart. Time for school.
Oh, I'm not going to school today. I'm staying home to take care of Margalo.
Well, guess again, you are going to school, and I will take care of Margalo. And look both ways when you cross the street, and wear your galoshes, and in art class, don't run with scissors. I'll get your backpack.
Mothers, you know.
Well, I don't really know.
No?
See, my mom just kind of one day wasn't there anymore.
Oh. So you've been completely on your own all your life?
You bet.
I bet it's been scary.
Nah, it's been an adventure.
I wish I had some adventures. I'm only allowed to paint.
Hey, life is an adventure. Just walking out that door is an adventure. Come on, Stu, we're late. Go for it, kid. The adventure begins.
That feels like enough adventure for one day.
Okay. There we go. Can you say, walk with Mommy? Mommy? Walk? Nothing. Margalo, Martha and I are going out for a bit. Can I bring you anything?
No, thanks.
Say bye-bye, birdie. Say bye-bye, Martha. Say bye-bye, birdie.
Fresh air.
Remember me?
Scared me.
What can I say? I'm a scary guy. So, Margalo, what's going on here? You cased the joint? Any valuables? Come on, thrill me, chill me.
They ain't got much. The mom's got a ring, but it's only 2 carats.
All right, okay, fine. So what else have they got?
Well, you know, not that much. I mean, they mostly just have each other.
Oh, a moment while I vomit.
Why don't we just try somewhere else?
Why? Because you're set up here. They trust you, they like you. Ah, and maybe you like them. Hey, Margalo, come on, huh? Don't con a con man.
Well, nobody else ever invited me to live with them.
Oh, really? Who found a pitiful orphan bird and plucked her out of the gutter? Who shared his food with her and, I hasten to add, taught her a trade? Who?
You did.
I did, right. Well, then straighten up and fly right. And remember, you are here on business. You're not here to play around.
Come on, Falcon. When I'm on a job, I never play around.